Nigerians always ask these questions. Are there survey for my region? Now, in this video, I'm going to be introducing us to a particular survey. Not only it works for Nigerians, you can also try this in your own region. Now, in this video, I'm not going to be talking too much. I just want you to hear it from one of my students that is actually benefiting from this particular platform, right? And the statement she made was that 1,000 points is equivalent to $3. So I want you to hear this from the horse's mouth. And at the end of everything, I'm going to make a review of what she just said. So it is always advisable you watch now till the end so you can actually get the whole process while starting with this particular app. Now, let me quickly chip this in because I know some people or some persons will still ask these questions. Do we need VPN? Do we need to refer? Do we need a UK number, US number? Like I said at the beginning of this video, it works in all regions. That is why I said try it and come back to this platform on the comment section and give us your feedback. You don't actually need a VPN to start up with this. You don't need a UK or US number. You don't need referrals to actually benefit while using this app. So you are going to be watching the review and you're going to be seeing that this is actually direct from your Play Store without you using any proxy VPN of any kind. So just go ahead to follow the process you are seeing on this particular video and you are good. So guys, before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim and this is Joakim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews and also show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. And so with that being said, let's dive in.
Basically the app is fine under Play Store. You can just click on Play Store, then you search for it, viewpoints. This is the app. Then you opened. When you open, you register with your phone number or your email. That's the email you want to be using. Then they will send an OTP to your email. You write the code, then boom, you already log into the site. So this is the app on my app. This is the app viewpoints. I'm already logged in. So anytime, these are the reward. Right now, basically, I have 1,020 points, which is 1,020 points I have on my reward. And basically 1,000 points is $3. So these are the tax. It's just for you to come to this program, then you click on resume program, then you come here, new taxes every 3 days. Shey you see, normally before I always have 85 points per tax. That's 85 points per tax and 250 points per tax. But because I didn't complete my tax for the 250 points, so they scrapped me out. So I only have 85 points per tax. So I'm always doing 85 points per tax. And it's always coming every three days. So these are my tax. I'm on tax 14 right now. So they keep adding tax that you will do. So now I've done one today. I've done one of the tax today. So it's until the available one will be coming out after 3 days. After 3 days, I have to just click on this place for the tax. Right now, I can't do anything because now the road tax will be available every 3 days ongoing. So they will notify me on my email after 3 days. They will notify me that I already have a tax. So you get the notification button here. No, somewhere here. If you see, they will write something like one. They'll put one tax. You have one tax available, so it's just for you to click. You will see the tax there. It's just there's nothing to do. It's just for you to just click on the tax. Then after clicking, you are not feeling anything. You are not, just make sure you are clicking. Anything they ask you to click, just click. Then they will give you your points. Probably you might be lucky. You might have 250 points available. You might also be lucky. You might have 85 points available. So right now I don't have the 250 points, so I have just 85 points. I have to keep clicking for this 85 points to reach 1000 points before I could withdraw $3. So normally before, I complete $3 within 1 week because of the 250 points. So before 1 week I have gotten 1000 points, and I've gotten $3. But right now I can't do that anymore. I just have just 85 points. So I have to do it for like almost a month before I get to 1000 points. That's just it.
All right. Thank you for watching to this point. You can actually see the process she explained down from the app, getting the app on Play Store, and also getting to download the app, registering and everything. You can actually see that the process is very, very simple. Now, if you are going to be starting with this, go ahead to start with your region. Then give me feedback on what you actually you've gotten. Just come back to this video and drop your comment so we can as well know where to assist. Now, she said 1000 points is equivalent to $3, and she said in a week she's likely to get 1000 points. Now, she said she missed some of her tax. That is why her points was reduced. Now, this is the logic. If you are opening an account today, be active with your tax. So you can be getting that 250 points, and that 215 points can actually generate you 1000 points within a week, meaning you're entitled to the $3 every week, right? So that is exactly what she was trying to explain. So after getting your account, what you can actually do is to take immediate chances of doing your tax regularly so you can be awarded the point that is assigned to that particular tax. Like she said, you don't actually have to do anything. Just follow the process, click the link, and you are going to get things done right on your account. However, note that this is actually an educational and also a review video to tell you about the app, so you can also try it from your end and give feedback on what you have actually seen on this particular app. And so thank you for watching to this point. I hope you got one or two, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watch. However, it's always advisable you join our social media platforms, our Telegram channel, and our WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section so you can be part of this wonderful family. So see you on my next video and keep winning.